Calculating realistic leverage. Use compounded. Key takeaways from running both. The edge is real, but trend dependent. Flat start slices isolate problem regimes. Compounded curve shows they merely pause long-term growth. Risk looks scarier in the real world. A 52% hole is survivable but requires iron stomach or a trend filter and position cap size. Liquidity matters beyond backtests. Compounded equity assumes you can move 10 to 100 million notional on BTC. Next step as discussed, add a trend gate. Okay. Introduce risk-based position sizing. Okay. Permutation and bootstrap tests. I asked for the full code back of the compounded with the filter, the simple moving average filter. Trend gate. So let's grab all of that code here. And let's run this. So this will take a minute and I'll answer any questions here in the chat if you have them. How's your week been? Good, man. Thank you. I got access to the Bloomberg terminal at university. Is there anything you're curious about? What should I try first? I'll be able to start using it at the end of May, but until then, I'd like to prepare. Sheesh, I don't know, bro. I never use it. I've never used the Bloomberg terminal. I've never seen it, honestly. Never seen it, never used it. Never been curious about it. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? What are you gonna try? And by the way, how did the Google arbitrage work out? I didn't end up pursuing it, actually. Where did you get this from? Quote unquote Google Scholar question mark? I don't know, bro. I just thought of it. What do you think about Monte Carlo market simulation? I believe if a strategy could work on simulated market, it would work on real. I think Monte Carlo is a good test to run. Maybe we'll do that here. It's just about building confidence. So building confidence in your strat. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this data here, and then also there should be some more information. We got the mean sharp, the mean Kalmar 97. Okay, that's solid. Kaggle 114, total return for 14,000% here. Data here, equity curve. Okay. Reveal in Finder, please.
Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life.
All right, so I have attached all the data here. Please go ahead and walk me through it. Compare it to the original without the 200 SMA. Tell me which one's better and how you came to that conclusion. Yo, I don't think Twitter chat getting forward here, G. Just thought I'd let you know. Thank you, bro. Thank you, dude. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me though. Maybe. Maybe. It's just using Restream. So quick side by side of the two compounded returns. Okay. You can see here, quick side by side. The final equity is $1 billion here on the first side, and 143 on the second side. So minus this 86. We saw that in our test too. We ran it. We ran this, but I'm glad that she's seeing the same thing. I wonder what she has to say about it though. Total return is 101,000% versus 14,000%. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, bum, ba-da. So you can see the CAGR 189% versus the 114%, so down. Max drawdowns negative 52% versus negative 71%, so down. It's actually not better to have this. Mean slice sharp down, losing trade window up. Verdict: the simple 20 reduce return and increase risk. What actually changed and why? Observation: missed early 2021 vertical run, equity top now 75 versus 760 ounce. BTC closed its 200 SMA until late 2020. The filter sidelined the strategy during liftoff that produced the monster gains. More negative slices despite bear filter. The filter kept you out of the rebound legs that usually recoup drawdowns. You sat in cash during recoveries, but were still hit by the intraday whipsaws that triggered stop losses once price poked above the 200 SMA. Big lick here. Big lick coming here on BTC. Oh my God. A $12.6 million liquidation. We have to look at that. What is going on over here?